Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kattu katningut kinong tray jong ka Meghalaya Transports Corporation kila kamba kila syak kendang da kabor hakibor penya jong ka Meghalaya Transports Corporation na kaying kabakisa kabakishna hapo jong ka workshop jong ka ni ka corporation kabadan hakandai lat Shillong. Katkum gajing etho jong way ni kinong tray bala syong taj na kakam kumukasya jong ka MTC uloong baka ni ka office kalapha mi lakham slim da kabaay ka jingtho Henry kendit kensan hakala asngiu belai jong ka nyoterik ubenai rempang arazar arpuar ki bor badai pet jong ka ni ka corporation kila phami ino yekini ki nong tray ki balasa hagani ka jaka u deputy general manager jong ka MTC u MSA sangma hakajing yakren bat ka Batisi TV uloong baka office kala dep aipor lakham katto ka ni por bat nalor kata uloong ru bala dep ban pha ya ka jingtho ka bapinkin mau biang yeki baki dai ban mi no nagani ka jaka kat kum ka por bala bu
quarter in my Mrs. name. His dues not get. That's a he case already done case also. Now to already she has got everything, but you see now without notice they are broken the quarter. This one myself.
I mean, he has prepared. He had make it all this thing. Right? Internal, all everything has been made my father when during his tenure. Yeah. So now we know we have to leave it, but without information, that is the main thing. No, without information, suddenly they came and they have taken it out. So that's the thing. So because he is alone, na. So my father, because my mom expired, so after that he is alone. So he's staying with me in Rinja. So now I'm just taking all these little bit things in my house. Long time back that they'll be developing this page, but orally we didn't get any papers.
Today that's it. They have already broken.
Suddenly Kongshal she called up and told that please come fast because they are breaking all these things. So me and my father we just came running. So we are making it empty now.
After that my missus was there. She retired on 13.
No, she was retired on 13, but last year she expired, no? She was suffering, some medical issue was there.
Ngayo information ki phone yang ki nang tino ngadon stage po Silong ki phone yang ki ang bola khanrai kaneka ki lawan GCB la khanrai kaneka workshop tingo ab nganawan ngastu the one sini ngape syak long syakunta tiang kelipat ini ba tray mekanik ni belum syatat ni yang na ini kemong ye ki upsar ban kenria ne ban kenria ne tikini kisah dum ke kimlahi ban tray kemun la dagadon GCB ni khanra ne wala sare singiru da jaba slab ke jenjari kitar kini nyele aku kini kitar ki box ni kini ki box kini ra se kini se di syakla di ben ai ke jaka ra hanta hanta te talong ta ke rim ta ki ngap ni tip sukum lo kini ki wan ong yang apa kalau kumta te masih ni ya ko puri lang bat ki no ki kan workshop ka de juga MTC hendai ki obsar pa kam ong ye te ye mekanik ni ban pen kenria ne wan dek no ne di syakla di ben ai jaka am ban pen kenria suwe nam kini yo tri menta ki tiar kitar bobur kimi yo tri te ki wan ya thu yang apa ngam ngana ni ju nga ka dar kam ir ma tolong ke bom taksi tolong ke dar ki kam ong ye kenria no nen le no ne ki kam ong ye ya ka ba la dep ki dar ngam tip kat ba ye ki nok sungwa tla ai ordar ke ngi ya tip ki yo ordar kum nur ngam tip ta ba ke ba menta ba wan no disbi bu tendang ta kam don ordar ki kamiyo kan ciptakan kordan kamiyo nakaliang juga tengah kapan pawa ka management kala bakla kan jing sya kala di ben ong hamtam kini di staff la jongam kala di ben ong page na dua sai wali tresun tu dia sa train no suway lane itu kitiar bu no suway kin shift no nakane ka jaka suway kan ri kam shift ki suli am ta ki kini mapli kin tre kam la janjaram.
No, we have already given intimation. We have given order already around 2 weeks back. And then we have told these people not to touch any of these quarters here until we vacate all the residents from here to there. And then I have seen they have not done anything so far. We have given, I can give you an office copy, you can collect tomorrow also. But I have been very straight with them. I have told them very clearly they will start working only in this working area. In fact, we had intimated to them long time back, but recently, 2 weeks back, I think more than 2 weeks back, I have given them another fresh order to vacate these quarters. Written order, office order, signed by Managing Director.
Nakaliang jong ikum kaseng, ngimla syu ban buri ya kani ka jing long arsap kini ke officer jong kani ke MTC. Haka sautarik ngila alai ban ya kendu UMD uang na do arajar katnyau ka juhi ngan repeat biang arajar katnyau bo uang ba ngimla syu ban thong ban bu iki pos ba fer samta ka singi pade kani ke jingwan hang ni lawan pralut ikini ki workshop hang ni hapo MTC kani kendailat head office mo kani kedai dere nakaliang jungi kaseng ladang ngilai je kendu mentai usang mah uang penban ba ngilayo eta ka project ban snai kini ke kata ka project ka bayo ru ngapane ka order bapi penmi ye kitu temen ki bala nyupo arsnem kerta te nakaliang jungi padengim pediang ya kata hakdak pin ong lai tayo ngi ay ka order ka bomla banlong namar mentaki bru ki bami isnong lani kimi na kanong no ka sinong ru hapapan lani aipor usnong lai benai lani ru benai kidang aipor kumno kat ka government kan aipor tang kata ka lai tayo ban mi ya kitu temen ngi na kaliang kasengin namla ban pediang bat hakan ka singi pengawan ru ngayo ada ka complain menta la sedang saban penki sa yakini ki mekanik hang ni po MTC jaka bantung biang iki nong tray ki badon ki pus ki bofer kum konduktor kum ki driver kum ki mekanik officer lani ki officer ki badon head kahapo head office ru kamut hadu kan menta nakaliang jong UMD uang ba ngimpat la banle nakai ka daw bomla banle haba kadai ka kamde ka property jong no kani kadai jong ka sarkar nakaliang jong ikum kaseng ipenrem jur ya kani bat nakaliang minister jong kani ka Mikhalaya transport ru udah ban pek kawan ke jeng deko nang no hajaka bakani ke MTC hang ni ke head office kadai ban penhep lani penek pensa ya kani nan namar kadai ke bawan nadu ke pol Asam Mikhalaya tian reka basngu lengo menta kalong ba ki ong bangimla syuk bantung ki pos te ke bomla ban long ngina kalian kasangin namla ban pedang bat ka jingi yo komplain jungi ngin nang budien ya kani ke jing jersi ka bam pong bat kani ke jing bam sap jong kani ka sarkar Mikhalaya jungi ngimla syuk ban sedang nang no banwat ya kani ke jing sisa namar ba sautarik ngina komplain nam taki driver mentalawan se komplain ki mekanik te stangkat no te kamut long kani ke office syano kin lek ngimla ban pedang tingi na kaliang kaseng lada kawa lek sepo moyong joka ISBT ru kamut long kani kane be kum ke office joka MTC nadu baka wan ningkong hang ni po kendailat te hang ni kede banne kadalong sukum nur kinum dai ban lek hakinu gino company ngina kaliang kaseng ni percaya kata nakaliang jungi mentan ngila ya kendu yo tu sangma bangong ipi te wong mangalai ko order tingong peni ka kopi wong kamdon hang din marbelai kala de ka por bakang te ya kata ka jingong bawan sim la sai tu klem ong yang te handai la da kalong hi kalong si kalong kumne kamut ngin num song thai na kaleng kaseng kat balahi ngin wat ya ka hok bat ka jing sisa jongki pajba ke babun balang ki badu ya kani ka kam bantre ka office ka de ban kiu umde bakan hiar keren jong kitu ki temen ki ba lanyo po arsnem mo basong hang tu oh ja kejing ai order nang ne po MTC ki ong bangala ai re kejing ai jong ki pa de bale ba ki song sa hang ni kat tapos nem kat ki ba mi pension kamut bun ki breu de ki san snem de ki popos nem kim jio ya ka hok ya ka pension bakin yo marsen mi la de ki ai pisa kamut kini kinong trade ki num song hang ni po MTC tamaka wei kalong ba Kimyo ya kahok ya katu pension bakibat takadaw makir kisyong hadu banda yo lu de kapisa.